How small YouTube channels can hit 100K subscribers, the ultimate growth guide. If you're a small YouTuber, if you've uploaded videos and they barely get views, if you've ever wondered why some creators explode to 100,000 subscribers while others stay stuck, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to break down the exact steps, mindset shifts, and strategies small YouTube channels must follow if they want to hit 100K subscribers. This isn't about luck. This isn't about going viral once. This is about building a system that grows your channel predictably, even from zero. So sit back, relax, and let's talk about how you can reach 100,000 subscribers. Chapter 1. The harsh truth small YouTubers must accept. Before we talk about tricks, strategies, and growth hacks, we need to talk about something more important: your expectations. Most small creators believe growth is slow because the algorithm hates me, YouTube is too competitive, people don't click on my videos because I'm small. But here's the truth: YouTube doesn't care about big or small channels. YouTube cares about videos that people watch. If your video hooks viewers, keeps them watching, makes them feel something, YouTube will push it, even if your channel has 0 subscribers. So the first mindset shift is simple. Stop trying to grow a channel. Start trying to grow a video. One video can change everything. Chapter 2. The secret advantage small channels have. Here's something most creators don't realize. Small channels have an advantage that big YouTubers don't. Big creators must stick to what already works. Their audience expects consistency. They can't experiment too much. But you, as a small creator, can experiment freely. You can try different topics, different thumbnails, different formats, different editing styles, different personalities. This freedom is your superpower. The more you experiment, the faster you discover what people actually want from you. And discovering that is the key to hitting 100K. Chapter 3. How to find your niche, real way. People often say, pick a niche. But what does that actually mean? Your niche is not a topic. It's a problem you solve or a feeling you create. Some examples: you solve boredom, entertainment niche. You solve confusion, tutorials niche. You inspire people, motivation niche. You make people curious, facts explainer niche. You help people grow, YouTube tips niche. Every successful channel provides one of these outcomes. So ask yourself, why should someone watch my channel instead of someone else's? Your niche is the reason people choose you. Once you know this, everything becomes easier. Titles, thumbnails, topics, scripts, editing style, everything starts aligning.